Usapang mental health talk tayo. Sabi niya dito, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na iwasan or pwedeng iwasan. Pertaining maybe sa depression or yung mental health issues natin. Lalo na sa mga taong in the midst of experiencing depression, there are certain events that you can't avoid. Well, first and foremost, yung mga nagiging clients ko, I'm not telling them to avoid. I am telling them to first identify, confront, and then integrate kung ano man yung lesson na mahuhugot natin doon sa trauma or bad events na nangyari sa inyo. Not because I want to invalidate your feelings or yung sakit na naramdaman nyo by going through that traumatic event, but to offer you a different perspective on how you can better handle yung event na yun, lalo na pag naulit. Hindi na lang emotions yung mahuhugot mo doon sa memory or traumatic memory mo, but also the lesson na pwede mong magamit para hindi ka na mapunta doon sa same predicament or scenario na kinalagyan mo. Well, this is your lifestyle coach, Mark. You could book a free clarity session so that we could check if we could work together towards your goal. Have a good day.